Today is my English spoken class. Collective phrases. সমষ্টিবাচক শব্দ। এক আঁটি শস্য, a sheaf of grain, এক জোড়া জুতো, a pair of shoes, এক ঝাঁক মাছ, a shoal of fish, একদল ছেলে, a group of boys, এক পাল গরু, a herd of cows। আজকে আমার Today is my English spoken class right now, and so please everybody again say to me and help me again more and more subscribe my channel and more like my channel, please.